泣いたことくらいああ忘れてゆくちょっとの感情さ泣いたことくらいああちょっとの感情さ泣いたことくらいああ忘れてゆくちょっとの感情さ泣いたことくらいああ忘れてゆくちょっとの感情さ
Test, test. Hello, hello. The captions thing's not working. Or is it? I don't know. It's like supposed to show me a preview. I'm pretty sure. Test, test. Test? Okay, now it's working. Test, test, test again. Okay, good. Whomst? Not me. It's not me, I swear. Currently, the stuff here is filler sprites. Filler art. Because I was not filler, placeholder. Because I started this on work computer, so I didn't want to put my art on it for slightly less awkward, if anything. Tangy? What do you mean? Tangy where? Oh, cause I said not me. Maybe. Do I have any reels that have tangy? Like, I know there's one on TikTok, but do I have? I don't think so. Because I was gonna see if I can find an audio. Oh well. Or not oh well. I don't know. Anyways, so far, there's not much, but I can't figure out the random spawn right now. It's not showing up, but the shadow is showing up. I might have to get rid of this first one, but I don't know how. Because if I delete this, it's gonna delete the object, maybe. Okay, good, never mind. This is fine. Deleting the last instance of an object type does not remove it from the project. Good. Can't believe that window disappeared on its own. I didn't even click away yet. What if I was still reading? I mean, I kind of was. Anyways, I'm using the free version right now. Yeah, so that's kind of also why I wanted to start with a basic, smaller project to test out first, because the other one, I feel like I would really need the not paid version, so I want to try the free version first. Also, I just realized this pops up in a new preview window. I forgot, so you guys wouldn't see it. I have to change this. How do I show this preview in here? I forgot. Let me see. I mean, I guess technically, maybe if I open the preview window and then I add it as a source, and then I can. It should detect the same thing when let's see, is it here? It's one of these. Okay, it's not this one. This one? Okay. So what if I close this now, right? And then I press this again. It still works. Yes. Okay. So I'll put the preview here. I don't know. That's where the chat is. I don't know. Should I just put it in front? Because it'll disappear anyways once I close it each time. I need to reorder this. Where's my layer? Let me recolor this. Set to color. And move it all the way down here in front of my other window capture. Okay. There. Actually. Okay. So, oh my gosh, please. Okay. So it's here. It's so slow. Why is it so slow? Max speed, you know what? Can I not do a max speed? I have to. I just have to set it a lot. And then acceleration 1000. It doesn't feel that fast. Okay, but why does it take so long to do like speed? If I do deceleration 0, does it make it never stop? Yeah. Okay. That's not it. What is my max? Oh. Oh, it's still too fast. $5,000 for my game. Thank you. Man, it's not right. It's too crazy. Why is it so? 2,000? Wait, now it's too slow. What the heck? Wait, it wasn't this slow before. Is it relative? Is it relative to the max? Oh wait, this one says 2,000, this one's 200. Oopsies. Oh my gosh, it doesn't go back to that one if I switch between these too fast. Okay, I have to turn off the other thing. I have to turn off the wait, I don't even have, do I? Oh, I do. Okay, yeah, don't actually need this one. Can this be while it's pressed? On key pressed? Key is down. How do I make it change back? Can I add this after? Does it turn back? If I set or stop, remove, set. Maybe I set it back to idle. at the end of this. Does that work? Okay, no, it just doesn't change at all. How do I... Can't I do it in order? Can't they run in order? What does this do? Stop animation? Okay, no, but that doesn't do anything. I don't want to have to make a separate event for this. I don't have enough free events. $3 doll hairs? Oh, dollars. When key is down. What if I release the key? Can't it just be on key pressed? Why does on key released have to be a separate one? That doesn't make sense. Sub event. On key released. Set animation. Okay, but does this count as a new event? Though it does, because it's a sub. Wait, it's a condition. I released it. Okay, so that doesn't work if I do it like this. I just have to delete this. Then why? Add function, add condition, add another action. Yes, but I need the actions to be in order. No, but it's a condition thing though. Add. Did I add a condition? Really? Wait. Add condition keyword. On key released. Wait, no, wait, no, that's not it. That's not it. Do I have to make a separate one? Why is it not a release thing? I feel like it should be. Wait, shouldn't it be on key pressed? On key pressed. On left right key released is down. I feel like is down should be the right one. Yeah, why is it not turning back? Should I every tick? I don't know if it should be like that though. Is that not gonna override? It's gonna override this and then I'll just stay stuck like this. Or something. Wait, oh my gosh, that was so right. For now anyways. Man, I don't know how to fix this. I don't know why it's disappearing. I need a spawner. Can't I just set the position? Whatever. position, create object, system create object, spawner. Yeah, what do I need to have? Can't I just set this position? Oh, because it's gonna move. It's gonna move in the middle. No, it's not. It's every 1 second. So why can't I just put this position on the thing? I guess unless it... Oh, if it doesn't fall in time. Okay, that makes sense, actually. Actually, you're right. But I just don't know why it's invisible. No instances. Is it per instance? Debug layout. It was right there. It's been 1 second. Where's the other ones? So it actually destroyed it outside of the layout? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't think I can do destroy. Can't do destroy outside layout. Is this gonna make it accumulate? It's not even spawning. It's still invisible. Why? I'll have to have an instance of it, but you're supposed to be creating it. Create object on layer 0. Yeah, I swear this layer 0 thing isn't right. It should be a number thing. Or not number, it should be the name of the layer. I feel like it should be. There it is. Why did it not work? What the? Huh? What? Where'd it go? Instance variables. Help. What is this? Okay, I need to add an instance back because I'm confused. Bound to layout edge. That's right. Shadow. Physics. Bounding blocks. Density. Friction. Elasticity. Dampening. Angular dampening. Initially visible. Yes. Oh, they're accumulating. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't do the on-screen thing. It should be spawners on screen. Compare instance I don't really need a condition at all. Like, why is this even a condition? Why can't I just put this? can they spin better? Can I spin them while they fall? Should I change their origin? How do I make one side heavier? Let me see. I put the origin here. Does that change anything? Does it spin? No, it's the same. Okay. How make spin? How make spin one fall? Angular damping. Spin. What does bullet do? That's not it. If I'm not preventing rotation, how to make rotate? Is another behavior. Rotate. Found it. Okay, this is right. Oh, there we go. Oh, they keep rotating. Okay. Acceleration. Can I random this? Nope, they're the exact same. They are so in sync. Wait, do we even stay that way? Should I do speed different? I also need them to stop rotating. When they hit the ground, I need to make a ground. Or when they hit the edge, maybe. Actually, I forgot. I'm supposed to make these disappear. Maybe I can put back the destroy. Hopefully it could still work. Okay, they're still here. Forgot to bound them. Unbind them. Release me! Unbind. Okay. Okay, kind of works. It's a bit fast. Wait, that's the rotate speed. I need the physics speed, falling speed to be different. Which density must be, I don't know, 0.5. Does that make you lighter? Was that slower? No, it's fast. They're so fast. 0.1. It's only the first one. So I'm only doing this instance. So I have to, how do I do this instance variable thing? But how do I set that to this? Hold on. Create object, and then how do I do it like for that object, for that instance? I need the speed of that instance. But how do I know that's not right? What was I doing? I'm so confused. Wait, what are these? Is between two values. Value expression. Layer is empty layer. Canvas snapshot for loop. Should I do a for loop somewhere? For each. What am I doing? I already forgot what I'm gonna do. I'm like thinking of like multiple things. I need it to. Right, I was thinking if my variable is already changed. I need to show the variable actually. I hope y'all didn't hear my dad. Anyways. Create object. Good. Add one to player level. I need it to display the player level. Where's my... I lost my other one. How do I search here? Why is this construct 2 also? That's not even... Construct 3. Random spawn. Set text 2. So I can do that. Okay. Then I need this to be... Wait a sec. Pine cones collected, add 1. Okay. Wait, what? That's not even right. I need this to be a separate... That's not even a condition. Add sub-event. I need to add empty sub-event. And blank sub-event. This needs to be here. Oh my god, not inside though. Wait, stop. Want to play that. I can do else. Okay. True, once more true. Wait, this actually works for this. Ignore this. I do a separate thing. Add sub-event, which is going to be compare two values, player expression or while. No. Compare variable. Wait, if it's 1, then how do should this be? Like 2 is number and expression. Compare two values. If player was notice me like no. While how do I set that? Set what the while is though. I don't know. But can I do multiple elses? Wait, system else? We do this. Yeah, I need this to be like up here. I'm gonna have multiple else's. Else? I feel like there should be a compare variable. I need to make a global. No, I don't. How do I do the tags without? When This is this. One player level. Okay, one player character. Dot level. Player level is equal to 1. Or equal to 2. But do these all work? Is this not the same as this? Oh, it's this. But this should not be under the same thing. I need to make more things or else I can't test this. And then I need text level. This isn't even right. There's definitely a better way to do this. Description, 3 name, 2 name. Should I do a variable? I guess I could. Initial value what? True. No. There we go. Okay. Maybe I should. I feel like I already have them. use this description placeholder. Description. Description. Play from the beginning, add one to action. Compared to wait, I should do a set +1. Instance variable toggle boolean. Active level. Toggle active level. Okay. Then maybe it needs to be a global. Or no. Or maybe if that one is add one to player level, set value I need it to be no. New instance variable. Level number. I set this to always be 1. And this one. Heard someone outside scream or something more in the music sampling. It sounded weird / scary. Oh well, it wasn't too loud, so maybe it was nothing. It wasn't like it wasn't, I don't know. sounds outside the whole time. Yeah. I mean, if I don't know if it was part of the music or if it was from outside. Does not pick any objects. While for each ordered. For each object. No, it's not it. Pick all. Pick all. Pick by comparison. Or pick by highest. But that's not. Should they not be objects? Should I make them variables? Pick all. No. True once one true. Cancel. Maybe I really shouldn't be doing the text like this. Maybe I can have containers. Add to the container. Maybe this should be a container. Maybe I need to make a container. Insert new object. Container. Array. Maybe it should be an array. Oh my gosh, wait. Maybe this array. How do I add to the array? Array is object. Select mode normal. Add object. And I'm gonna pick from the array. Array. Set. Wait. I need to add. I need to look through. I need to change to the next thing. Add an object to a container. Create likeness properties. Wait. Let's add object. If one object is created, stored. The same number of instances for all objects in the container. It's more changed. What's an option? Set text. Wait, oh. I can do this for the numbers. But what about not for numbers? Through the array. And then I need to rename this text. Maybe it's better to have the word. Sure. And then to loop through down here. Or am I? System. Stop loop. Set value. Add to. And something. Okay. It has to be system. What about add to this array? Add to array 1. Then I need to show the array. I need to show the array thing. I need another instance variable. Top of 1, because it's not a boolean. Do I have to put more in here? Booleans. And then when it's active, instead of array loop, we do this could be a global variable. Let's make a global variable. Global variable. Now then it makes money. Maybe just active level 1. And then how it goes, it's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, and then no, wait. Not here. Every tick. No, I need a global variable. Wait, I have to compare. I need to make a global variable. I'll go level info. Wait. Maybe it needs to be an object. sub-event. Sub-event. One character. Wait. Add one to player character. Is Boolean instance variable set? No, not instance variable. Wait, what? Player character. Huh? They have an instance variable. Compare instance variable. So why isn't there one for changed? Pick highest. Pick highest. No, that's not it. Where's the change one? Maybe it's not here. No. Add one, then I need pine cone. No. What? Wait. I need this to turn. I need to compare. No. I need to do condition. No. Add sub-event. Alright, compare. Whatever, I'll just do this. One player character, player level is equal to oh man. When it's equal to no. When okay, fine. No, this can't be it. Set text, typewriter text, change icon text, append text, change set text. Wait, I can just set text. But that would be for each event anyways. But then I wouldn't have to have multiple objects. Okay, let me make just the text one then. Where is it? Instance variable. Set text. text, and then player level. Does this make sense? Nope, it just says level. Hello. How do I do the text properly? What's the syntax for this? I need to put actual text. We have to append our backpack. Append text HTML. It should be okay, but how do I add to level? No, that's not what I wanted to do. To do level and then player level. No, plus does not work. Can I do that? And? Nope, that's just the word. Okay, so no quotes for this. Oh my gosh, that's not the level. What the? Add a 1 to player level. Okay, so this every tick thing doesn't work. It should not be here. I need to move this out and this out. And this should be here. And this should not be there. This has to be separate. Why is it doing this? This is not right. How to compare? Wait, what even is this? Why is this? Add 1 to player level. When this plus that. Wait. No, I need to make a new one. I need to make a new global. No, I need to make this. I need to make a trigger. Every time it hits 50. When 50 back to 0, add level. Then here we're going to do trigger 50 equal to 50. Done. We're going to add 1 and we're going to change this back to 50. Set value. Trigger 50, 0. second. This thing. Okay, it's working. It's just slow. Okay. How come they're not colliding? Did I remove collision? Collision mask. Solid enabled. Solid enabled. Enable collisions, yes. Enable collisions, yes. So how come they're not colliding? Okay, this is too slow. How do I fix this speed? It's not it. Add ones to find conclusions to collected. So why is it not working? Where's my debug? Debug layout. Or pause it. What is my player characters thing? Instance variables, player level 1, trigger 50, pinecone 1. Then why? Pinecone collected 1. Then why didn't the animation change? Sprite animation idle. It didn't change. So set to idle, but not really. Maybe I don't need to set it. It's already initially like that. Okay. And then I need to turn back. And another, I need a sub event. When catch is not playing. Animation is not playing. Sister catch. This isn't right. Is how it is not playing. And any finished. Any animation finished? Unfinished. Okay. On char catch finished. Or should I do any finished? I guess I can do any finished. event on not collision. How do I do not collision? Should I do, wait, what if I do overlapping? Doesn't even have collision if I do this. Where is it? Wait, I don't want this to, I want not collision. Oh wait, the block changes that stuff though. No. The block changes this whole block. Add another condition. Okay, so I need it to be negative, not collision. So it should be else. Place condition. Why is there no else now? Where was the else? Frame change, which compares speed frame. Specifying animals news with velocity. Overlapping. Highest lowest. Meaning created on signal as tags. Where do I create signals? How do I invert this? That's not an option either. Okay, never mind this. And I don't get it. This should be added sub event or a condition. Okay, I need to make another. Okay, I need the item pinecone to have the thing. I need this. And then an action. Pinecone. Toggle boolean is cut. And then sub event. If the pinecone is not cut, I have to pause to eat. I'll let you guys watch some falling pine cones while I eat, though, after I do this one thing real quick. Hold on, what am I doing? Oh, is caught. Wait. Compare instance variable? Okay, no. Is caught? Wait, does it need to be true? What if I want to check false? Invert is not caught. There we go. Then player character add to missed. Done. Save. And then let's also quickly add something to watch. So let's do something like this, but I'm going to just copy and paste. This is going to be, oh, I need to add more objects, actually. Cancel. I need to add this text. Okay, and then here, and then we're going to set text. We're going to do cont. And then, how do I do a line break? I can't do a line break. How do I do a line break? Okay, caught, and then clear. Pine cones missed. Pine cones caught. Collected. Yeah, I guess I should do collected. Collected. How do I line break? Can I use N? Nope. New line. Nice. It works. Kind of. Oh, no. It doesn't work without this. Huh? New line. If I do new line and then some text, does it work? Oh, I have to do and. Maybe. And player character caught. Wait, missed. I mean missed. Quantity collected and new line and missed. Okay. Did I add a space? I don't remember. Let's try. Wait, it didn't even work. Hold on. Every tick. Set text to this. So maybe I have to like not have text here. I don't know. Wait a second. Set text to collected and player pine cones collected. New line. Missed. Missed. Oh, this is the wrong one. Oops, this is the wrong object. Text count. And then this is not needed. But where's the missed one? So the new line doesn't work. Can I do a new line? Oh, wait. I should do the new line inside the thing. Maybe. Nope, there. That's not it. It can't be the slash. don't think it's this one. Nope. I need to line break. Is it BR? Wait, but it knew what new line was when I did this before, which means it's not here. Oh god, I just opened the thing. Wait, stop. Okay. Maybe I have to do it and... Okay, so it understood what that was. But then it didn't. But then it didn't. Why do I have to put it in, put the words new line in quotes? It's just gonna show the words new line. I feel like line break is BR, but the thing is they understood. I don't understand, because they understood. They understood n slash, because it turned it into new line when I typed it. If I type it in text, it doesn't work. But if I type it out here, I do n. Wait, there is a backslash here. It literally is just new line. Why is it not working then? Is it too small? Did it like crump out? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Does that mean I can put my filler text back in? I think I can. So I can see it here. Okay. In that case, let me put that, I don't know, here. What's this one? Oh, level text. There we go. There we go. Okay, much better. Oh, I kind of want to do the progress bar. Wait, no, I have to eat. Wait, no, I want to do the progress bar. Let's see. Where? Here. Maximum 50. Okay, and then I need this. Trigger 50 is going to be the same thing as this. No. When it gets to 50, it's this one. But where should I put every tick? Or should I do here? I should do here. Add to progress bar. Set no. We're not doing that. Set progress. Add one. Okay. Make indeterminate. What does that mean? No. I need the progress bar. Okay, I guess I have to set value, add to. Maybe I have to set. Okay, I have to make a variable within the progress bar. That's weird. Instance variable. It already has a value thing though. I don't understand. And then I have to set progress to value. That's so weird. Okay. Progress bar. Set progress to progress bar dot progress value. And then I need this one to add to that, I guess. Progress bar. Add to progress value.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. It's my birthday. Okay, let me see. Let me just. Oh, the progress bar is reverse colored. Well, no, it's not, but it is. You know, it's the other way colored. Okay, y'all can watch this now. I'll put on my food break thing. Okay, BRB. drink water again. My throat feels weird. Oh well. Me when I'm a triangle. I'm a combination. I'm a wait, not combination. I'm a triad of acute triangles. Acute angles. What? Acute. I don't know what I was trying to say. I was trying to use the acute angle thing. Acute angel? Acute? Accutane? I don't know what that is. It sounds familiar. I need the bomb now. La, 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 la. I just thought of something funny. I should import something funny. Nyek, 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 nyek. Audio. Luna sounds. I knew it. And also, I always believed in me. Wait, it didn't work. I always believed in me. There it is. Let's also bring in meep or the nyum nyum nyum. Maybe I can do the meep if it's short. And then I can do the hum if it's the correct hum. Import. All right. On collision with pinecone. How do I play a sound system? Load? Can I load the sound? Create object? Stop loop? No. Never mind, cancel. Maybe, let's see. Can I listen to this? Meep. I don't hear it. Oh, wait, my speakers are. Oops. Meep. Wait, I don't know if that's right. Maybe not this one. I'm gonna need to import. Should I shorten the meep? What if I say magic every time I get a pinecone? That would be funny. Or the acorn, and have an acorn, except it's a pinecone. That would be so funny. But how do I do this though? Should I make it an object? Maybe like a sound player object. Audio. Added audio. And then what? Interact. Playback. But how do I set which one it is? Audio. Memory. Load audio. Only says unload. Play by name. Sounds. Audio file name. Already forgot. Acorn. Not looping. Let's see. Acorn. Do I have to do .webm? Okay, let's put the volume up first. Oh wait, this is decibels. Okay. 0 is original. Okay, never mind. This is fine. Let me turn down the Spirit City music and turn off my fan. I have the acorn! I have the acorn! That's so funny. Every time I catch a pine cone, I'm like, I have an acorn. It's so silly. Okay. Maybe I should add on layout start. Where is it? Layout, no. Oh, on start of layout, here it is. On start of layout, and I can move that up. Oh, wrong one. Block. On the start of layout. And then, what's this arrow? Oh, this is what's inside this. Okay. On the start of layout, I would like to play the Luna hum. Wait, what is this preload though? Preload, download an audio file from the server without playing it. Has the right energy. I don't understand. Download an audio file by a string of its name from the server without playing. From my what server? This is the server. Then why do I need to preload it? Oh, maybe if it's harder to load, if it's too much to load, I can just play it. Okay. Let's play Luna and then hum. Done. I have the acorn! Now, what if we loop it? Wait, I want to make a playlist. Wait, can I make a playlist? Then I can just like play all of the random things. Seek to. The audio tag to seek. No. Let's playback rate. Oh, no. Oh, I guess I can load all of the... Maybe that's what I can do. Oh, I need to add them. Import. I would like to import this one. This one. I don't remember what this is. Let me listen to this. Man, these are kind of loud. It's fine. I'll make it work. Let's see. Let's preload some stuff. Audio. Preload. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. And then set volume. Set master volume? No, I need to set each volume. Wait a second, that's not a tag. I can't set volume by name. Audio. Play at position. No. Memory and little audio. Schedule next play. Interesting. I can do this. No. How about I just, I don't know. Maybe I do have to do the schedule next play. 10 seconds to sample accurately schedule the next play. Audio, current time. End. Duration. Wouldn't it be duration? The end of the other one? Wait, what's N? What's N then? That's new line. No, just N. Wait, is it not just audio duration? Not audio duration? Huh? Audio duration. Wait, I can normalize volume? Wait, can't I set all of them to normalize volume? Hold on. Volume. Set master volume. Wait, so can I set a normalized volume? Audio. Normalized volume. Okay. I need to set volume number threshold. Okay. I guess 0 already makes sense. And then if I, so these should both be the same, right? I should preload them both, actually. Let me add a preload of hum. And then I'll do the play after this. I don't know if they're gonna just play at the same time. Okay. So it's now 0. 0 is original volume, so when I normalize it, it's supposed to be like, why is it like this? Okay, let me do this so it pops up again. Usage, volume number, threshold number. What? What? What do you mean? Audio.normalize volume, volume number, and then dB threshold number. But why would I have a volume number if I'm doing a threshold number? Volume dot, no, not vanishing point. Oh my gosh. Volume. Huh? Hold on. Volume number, threshold number. Threshold. I don't know, man. I feel like this is gonna be loud. I don't understand if it's a range or not. No, okay. Maybe it's... Okay, what if I do this? Is it gonna be extra loud? Okay, well they are in order. What if I set this one to 0? Threshold 0.
I have the acorn!
I don't understand. What did that do? Construct 3 audio. What did I just... What was I checking? Normalize. Normalize. What do you mean? Editing process completed external... no, you're actually wrong, AI. Audio. Preload. While the loading bar is showing. Before it can start. Sound will complain me. Sound will start sooner. Sounds will be loaded on demand. No, it's gonna be delayed then. Text. Autoplay restrictions. Properties. Okay, but what about conditions? Preloads complete. General actions. Wait a second. Starts playing file with the tag. Letter action gives you the opportunity to use an expression for the audio file name. The sound can be optionally set to, oh my gosh, set to looping when it starts playing. Sound volume can also be set. And below attenuates the sound. Invocation is not supported. -10 plays back quieter. Stereo pen can be provided for setting the intended volume and pen volume by set volume and super. Okay. Fade volume over time. Okay, let's see. Let's tag these. Can I tag them? Let's see. How do I tag? Oh, it's the wrong layout, maybe. Nope, I can't tag in here too. Why can't I add tags here? So the tags can only be in objects. No, how do I tag the audio? How do I tag the audio though? How do I actually tag this?
I have the acorn!
What?
I have the acorn!
But how do I tag you? This is file properties. Object types. How do I add... I don't have to add an object for each audio. I can't even tag here. What? What? There's no tag. I thought I saw a tag. Enable multiple tags. How do I tag it though? Where are the tags? There are no tags. Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess the tag's the name. Can I preload by name? Hold on, let me do this up here. Audio, preload by name, folder sounds, and then here. If I do Luna, it doesn't even pop up. I have to do a string. Luna, now how do I set expressions? How do I set the volume? Master, no, not volume. Audio, volume, tag. What? Is this a tag then? But it's not. I swear I saw that word tag somewhere for things. Does this work? Wait, how do I actually set? Get the current volume. Wait, get the current volume. No, I don't change the volume. How do I set the volume? Preload, so I can't preload it while it's set. Wait, hold on. This was play by name. Preloaded. Okay. I can only do it during play. Maybe. That's the wrong button. Play by name. And then I can do Lunahub. And then volume. Oh, right. But I still can't normalize it then. Okay. I don't understand the normalizing. It doesn't even have it here. Compressor. Auto expressions. Analyzer bin count. Okay, but where do I tag? What? Tag index. Where do I tag it though? Audio tags. Volume tag that probably sounds you want to sound plays. Sounds are played with a tag. It's any string that identifies a sound. Player's weapon sound effect could be played with the tag player weapon. Enemy weapon. Tag can be used in set volume. If I do, instead of play, I can do set volume. I can do set volume and then do the set volume mechanism which sound is set volume in case it's sensitive. Multiple sounds can also play it once using the same tag. In this case, set volume. With the tag. Tag empty string is meant for only the last something. Multiple tags enabled. Tag string multiple space separated tags. Setting volume for all the tags. Tag space treated as a single tag. Okay. So I still have to do this. Can't normalize though.
I have the acorn!
I feel like they're all loud. Wait, I didn't need to do this. I can do this. Right? No, it's not letting me do more than one. What? I thought it was space separated tags. Allow multiple. Yeah, it says enable multiple tags. Tag string can include multiple space separated. Do I have to put it within the same string? Now can I play both?
I have the acorn!
At 0 should be original volume. Tag optional. To reference the sound in the future. Wait a second. Does it actually have to be each audio separate? Oh my god. So if I preload, wait. Can I preload by name? If I preload by name and then set the tag, can I do that? No. To preload it and then I can set. Hold on. I can't set the tag unless I play it. What? That's so weird. To reference the sound in the future, but why couldn't I just tag it without doing anything? What the heck? What? That's weird.
I have the acorn!
How do I play more than one at the same time? Shall we schedule next play? Okay. Audio. Current duration. Playback. I don't understand what this is. Plus N. I don't know what that means. English features of the other one. No. What did I do before? If I put both, they're just gonna overlap. If I just put them the same way. I don't need to set the volume. If I can set it in here.
Tiptoe from the garden.
Okay, yeah, they are overlapping. So how do I... Maybe I do need to schedule next play. Audio. Dot. Current time.
Tiptoe from the garden.
No, no. So maybe it is duration. Wait, what does it need to be? Tag string. Okay. wait, string. Does this work?
Tiptoe from the garden.
No. What's plus n? Time in seconds, that was just sample or schedule the next play. Time in seconds. How do I turn this into seconds? How do I get, wait, duration in seconds, what sound? With the tag. Okay. Let me put a tag, I guess. If I make the tag the same thing as the name, does it work then?
I have the acorn!
Okay, I see. I need to turn down the acorn one. Okay, and then let's do an audio pin. Play at object. Audio file. Acorn not looping. Play at player character. Wait, no, I don't need to do that. I can do it here. I need to change this to play at object. Okay. This one is named Acorns. Okay, so in stereo this should play on like the left or the right or something, depending where the character is. Preload. Should I preload? I should preload the other one. Preload. Acorn. And then what else do I have? Ah, yes. Here. Let's play. Luna. New. I would. Volume. -10. Stereo pin. Let's leave it there. Can I do one for choosing one? Can I do, let's see. Oh, I feel like I should do. Yes, I should. Okay, let's do Let's make all of them play at object. What? Where am I? This is this one. Okay, it still has to be this one. At this object. Volume -10. Inner angle. 360 means non-directional. Cone inner angle, outer angle. Where is this angle stuff? Positioning. It's not here. And then let's do another one of these. And then I need to set it as an or, maybe. Believed. Now how do I make an or block in here? No, wait, no, not or block. I need to make the action different. A different action. Custom action? No. Else? No, that's not it. I need to do an or block. And then I need to add a condition. I need to make a global variable actually. Add global random bool. Actually, maybe I'll do random now. No, I need to do random boolean. Random bool. And then okay. And then I need to move this random bool global variable to the start of the layout. And then how do I randomize this bool though? How do I do this? Every tick random bool. I feel that's gonna be too much to run though. Add action maybe here. I can toggle my random bool. Set random, maybe. Reset, set boolean. Set random bool. True, false. No. How about I set? Oh, I can't set the bool as a random. Can I set value? No. How do I randomize a boolean? Maybe I can't. Fine. Let's not do a boolean. Let's do a number. Okay. And then every 1 second we can set value. Random bool. Set value random. Random. What is it? Is it just range? Yes, it seems like it is just the range. Oh my god. Random. And the range, I'm gonna just do 1 or 2. I also need to rename this to not be bool actually. You know what? This kind of works. What if I just do 0 and 1 instead? So I can do another global. Oh, not event. Add global variable. Do random. No. Random int. Do initial 1. And then set random bool. Let's also set value random int. We can set it to random. Random is let's do 1, 2. I don't know. 99. I can change this after if I want to, right? I need to rename this. Random 99. Random int 99. Okay. And then okay, and then here we can do add a condition or sub event. Huh. Let's do. I guess I have to do sub event if I want to do checking this compared to values. Random bool equal to 0. This. Else that.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden.
Why is it so loud? Oh my gosh. I didn't set this.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the.
This has to be way quieter. This is fine at 0. This one is so loud. 8. Should I set the acorn louder? Is the acorn too quiet? Where is it? Where's my acorn? But I can't set it louder. It says. Maybe I can. Let me try. It might not let me.
I have the acorn.
Yeah, it's actually the same. Set it back to 0. Set everything else quieter then. I need to set this lower, I think. 6.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the.
Why are you so loud? Oh my goodness. Oh wait. Negative. I am so silly. I can't go downwards with negative.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by.
I have the acorn.
Let's have. Where is. Okay, hold on. I need to stop all first. Or can I pause? So pause. tag to pause. Okay. Go to hum. And then set paused. Or no tiptoe. And then also this one I need to set paused. I guess I should just stop it. Is it silent? Fade volume now. Programmer. Actually, it's epic-pro-game-developer-rgb time. This is beginner level. Guess I should just do stop. I want this gonna work.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from. Okay, it needed to fade actually. Because that was such a bad cutoff. I heard it cut off.
I have the acorn.
I heard it go shh. How do I make this natural?
I have the acorn.
There's like no way for it to not. Or is it because of the Luna tiptoe? Let me copy this.
I have the acorn.
Oh. What if I just stop Spirit City so I can hear this better?
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden,
I
oh,
have the
willow
acorn. I have the
tree.
acorn.
Wait, it didn't work. What? It didn't work. It didn't fade both of them. What?
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, of the willow tree, and tiptoe
I have the
through the
acorn. I have
tulips.
the acorn.
It didn't stop. Why didn't it stop? It didn't stop. Tiptoe volume to negative. Didn't stop. Why didn't it stop? 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 It should have interrupted it. Why didn't it stop? It definitely collected one.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden of the willow tree.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe through the tulips with me.
I have the acorn.
Is it only fading at the end? That's not what I asked for. On collision. I don't want to just do stop all though. It's gonna sound bad.
I have the acorn.
Let's set this back to looping. And then does this schedule work if they're looping? Or is it gonna overlap?
I have the acorn.
Nope. It doesn't replay again after. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I have to schedule next play. I have to schedule next play after the fade. So instead of the fade, I have to stop and then play and then the other play. Where is it? I have to copy this and then put it here, but then also schedule next play and put it here. What the duration is the acorn. And then save. And then I also have to do this one. I have to do both of them. Both of these. Copy. Paste this here. And this one's going to be here. Maybe. Oh my gosh, no. Acorn, stop all. Do this. Continue. It's gonna keep doing the same thing until. Let's see.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden of the willow tree. And
I have the
tiptoe,
acorn. I have the
tiptoe
acorn.
from the garden.
Okay, so this loop doesn't work if I do that. Instead of looping, can I... why is there no play all in a set list? Why can't I combine them? Why do I have to make them first? Can't do a container. There's no container. There's no container. I change this, does it change all of these? Yes, it does. Okay, good. Play in background. Play in background. Roll off factor. Why? Okay. What does play in background mean? Where's the categorizing process organization? Okay, but where? Audio properties. Play in background. Switching browser tab, minimizing. Okay. Intended to avoid. Okay. I guess I can put that in my menu or something if I wanted to. Let's add another condition. Oh, I need to add a thing actually. Input. Gamepad. And then event sheet. Add condition gamepad on compare access. How do I right side input compare access? Right analog x-axis equal to 100 greater than 0. Wait, oh, so it just needs to be greater than 0. Index, the zero-based index of, oh my god, the zero-based index along the x-axis. What? Okay, whatever. And then maybe the same thing here. Add another condition. Gamepad axis. Wait, index. Should be this. Compare axis left analog. Wait. It should be left analog for the other one. Less than 0. Yes, it should be left. Yeah. I can maybe test it with my own. No, wait, but there's two. Okay, wait. So my control, there's like the left joystick and a right joystick, but there's also the left plus sign thing. So then what does this mean? What does this mean? Index button is button down. Wait, let me see what these buttons are. Buttons, left shoulder button, back view, analog button, D-pad. Oh wait, that thing's called the D-pad, never mind. The other one is called a D-pad. So then it has to be the joystick. Wait, how do I do the D-pad thing then? Maybe I have to do another. Is button, what's index down then? I don't know what these indexes are for. which one did I just click? This is right. D-pad. Okay, what is this 0? Oh, is each controller an index? No. Because gamepad 0 index of the gamepad. Within the gamepad? Or which number gamepad? Let's see. Let me see. Gamepad has gamepad. Test if it is and maybe press before it counts as active. Okay. Button pressed, button released. Not sure. Another condition. Button pressed. D-pad left. Index sounds like an index in an array, like a list. So I'm like, what list? Unless it's talking about which, like, player controller. Like player 1, controller 1. So it's like if I connect multiple gamepads, is it gonna start indexing each controller as index 1, index 2? I mean, index 0. I don't even know if it starts at 0. Because some indexes start at 0. But it doesn't have like a set index thing. If I do on every tick, on start, add another condition. Gamepad has gamepads. So this one is test if gamepad is connected. Okay, and then, well, it could also, like, can I check if has keyboard? Keyboard, no, that's not even a thing. Okay, no, this, no. But how do I do this? Gamepad, reset vibration. Not sure. Fully starts at 1. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's even. I don't know. Alright, maybe I'll try. Even though, like, my sounds aren't even. I haven't even finished my sounds. I got distracted.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden.
I have the
Tiptoe
acorn.
from.
Okay, it stops, but it's weird. I should give it another pause. Maybe it's just weird.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, of a willow tree. Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden.
I don't want the humming to overlap with the tiptoe. It's the looping problem. Oh, I need to make a loop. Oh my gosh, I just need to make the loop separate. Okay. I don't even need this to loop, technically. This first one. You've got to catch something before the songs end. Let's turn off this one. And then, oh man. Do I do this every tick? Every tick if this is not active. If nothing else is playing. If not collided with maybe. On every tick, do this, but also while okay, I took a break. I blinked slowly. While the rest of the conditions in the event are true. Oh, okay. I see how they do it. So the while has to be all of these. On every tick. Huh? Okay, this doesn't need to be even. Okay, this doesn't need to be inside the every tick. This can be separate. But what is this? What is this arrow? What is this? Why is there an arrow? What is this? No, that's not it. There's an arrow. Why are there arrows on these? Why is there an arrow on them? Certain ones have arrows. Oh, is it just which one it is? Which one's active? Construct 3 event green arrow icon. Triggered event that runs only when a specific trigger event occurs. Start of layout. Okay, I see. On any animation, every second. Trigger. Okay, I see. Then this should be one too. Why is only this one a trigger event? Huh? Condition. So these are the same. Why are they different? Why is only this one have an arrow? Triggered. Indicates will not be checked constantly every tick of time. Huh. Huh? Will not be checked.
Tiptoe from the garden, by
I have the
tiptoe
acorn.
from the garden,
I have the
tiptoe
acorn.
from the garden, by the garden,
I have the
tiptoe.
Okay, that tiptoe is gonna get annoying. Actually. Let's not do this one. Maybe instead of looping, we'll adjust volume down and volume up. Maybe set silent and no new sounds will play. No. Set volume. Set muted. Let's do set volume. Actually, no. Set muted. And then Should I just not loop the hum? Let's just not loop the hum. And do tiptoe. And then instead of this, we're going to just do this. And then set unmuted.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden,
acorn.
by the garden,
It didn't
up
work.
a willow tree.
I have the
and
acorn.
tiptoe through the tulips.
It needs to mute until after the acorn, but it's not. Schedule next play doesn't work either. This needs to wait for it to not play. Mm. If I don't unmute this.
I have the acorn.
Tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, up a willow tree, and tiptoe
I have the
through the
acorn.
tulips.
It didn't stop. That means I can't use this one. I need it to. I don't understand why that one can't just stop it. It can't override it? What? It's not even every tick. Set Luna tiptoe muted. Oh my gosh, I didn't even. No wonder nothing's working. I didn't even re-tag them. Okay. How about now?
I have the acorn.
Okay, but you still have to play.
I have the acorn.
Aye. Play, not looping. Schedule next play. It's after the hum. Then why didn't it work?
Tiptoe from the garden.
Okay, so it is a schedule, but why? Schedule next play, normally in the form of audio current time. Okay, what if I do current time here then? Current time plus n.
Tiptoe from the
No.
garden.
What's plus n? Audio clock time in seconds. I don't know, plus one.
Tiptoe from.
Why can't I just do the duration of that audio? I don't understand. Tag string number. Should be after Luna hum.
I have the acorn. I have the acorn.
Oof. What? I don't get it. I don't get it. Wait, there's an output latency right here. Why can't I just do output latency? What the hell is schedule next play then? Let's see, what is the thingy for this? Does not take a number. Right. I should put output latency on the other thing then. Then cancel. Can I put sounds output latency? What is this though? It's not actually it. Time delay in seconds. Or -1 if not known. How do I set it though? Does not take any parameters. It gives a number. What do you mean it gives a number?
Tiptoe from the garden.
I feel like duration made the most sense. The duration of this one. Why can't it be the duration of this one? Why didn't it work?
I have the E card.
So you should play it after this. Schedule next play. Why? Oh my god. Whatever. I'm not gonna bother with this right now.
I have the E card. I have the E card. I have the E card.
Okay. Let's import. Let's import this one and this one. And then instead of this, technically I could do play seek 2. Position, I don't know where it is.
Yum 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 yum.
Wait, not this one.
Meep.
At 1, is it gonna cut off?
I have the E card. I have the E card.
Okay, that doesn't work. How about 0.5?
I have the E card.
It only seeked, it did not play.
I have the acorn!
Meep.
One second. Disable.
Meep.
1.5 seconds.
Meep.
Okay, that's not it. It's not tagged. No, it is. Let's see. Can I play somewhere? I don't want it to play the entire thing. Play up position is just the physical position. It's just the X, Y. No. It's
Meep.
It's 1 second. Can I do 0.5?
Meep.
Never mind. We're not doing this one. Let's play this one.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
Can I fade this one? No, but it's not gonna work. Never mind.
I knew I would.
It's too loud.
I knew I would.
Okay. This is fine. Why did I just hear? Why did I hear my computer make a sound? OBS has crashed.